What is up, guys? Today we're playing Subway Surf. And as always, again, what is up? I'm going to be playing Subway Surf. It's a game I suck at. I truly suck at this game. It should be good. I guess it should be fun. Hurry up, load. Okay, I'm gonna go check my internet, so I'm gonna go pause this really quick. And I fixed it. No, thank you. No. Play now. Boom, boom, boom. See what I mean by suck? Could have got out of that, but I, of course, had to get that. Oh, yay. Double up. Go. Jumping. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, boy. Okay. Jump, side, down, boom. Boom. No. That's BS. Sorry if this video is super laggy. Pretty sure it is. Down. Okay, boom. I'm going for it, and I did it. Oh god, I did not see that coming. I know I like all these dive things, but... See? I did it! I got him! Jump! Okay. See? You see my freaking tablet's laggy. Okay, as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Literally, this is my last video for today, unless it's a vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Rock on, my bros. Bye.